How to activate Direct Express card. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Direct Express card. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, in order to activate your Direct Express card, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Direct Express app on your device and click on Activate Register Card. Step 2. Enter your 16-digit card number. Hold the eye icon on the right hand side to view and check the number you just entered. Step 3. Select the two requested security images for verification. Step 4. Click Next. Step 5. Enter your security code CVV from the back of your card. Step 6. Enter the last 4 digits of your SSN and click Done. Step 7. Set a new PIN by entering a 4-digit number. Then confirm your new PIN by entering it again. Step 8. Click on Set PIN. Your card will now be activated and you'll see a card activated successfully message. Click OK. So that's how you can activate your Direct Express card. That's all for this video.